Hey all, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the San Francisco Bay Area. Today I'm over in Oakland, specifically 2105 48th Avenue. I'm in a top floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, very, very spacious apartment. This property is huge and it has water views. So let's come on in. We'll show you the parking and the laundry as well as part of the video. So stay tuned. All right, here we are, all done. That was a great tour. I hope you enjoyed that. We were able to see the garage, the laundry room, which is right below this unit. So you basically go out the door and it's at the foot of the exterior stairs. And then if you notice that in one of the rooms, they exited out onto the balcony. You just take that balcony and that goes actually into the backyard. There's pictures of that on our website, so take a look at that, and that is a common space. But anyway, if you're interested in this property, we hope to see you here, and we hope to rent to you. So come on down. We have showings, links, and links to apply, etc., etc. So all of that should be in the YouTube comment section. Give us any comments if you have any questions as well. And thanks for watching. All right, cheers. Again, this is 2105 48th Avenue, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, garage, laundry, and a lot of space. All right, cheers.